Welcome to my channel. How to log in to OrbitWiFi, OrbitRange Extender, using Orbitloginnet. 1. Plug in the Orbit Extender. Connect your OrbitRange Extender to a power outlet and wait for the power LED to turn stable. 2. Connect your device to Orbit network. On your phone or laptop, connect to the Wi-Fi name like Orbit_Extender or similar. 3. Open any web browser. Launch Chrome, Safari, or Firefox on your device. 4. Enter the login web address. In the address bar, type Orbitloginnet or http://Orbitloginnet and press enter. 5. Use the default login details. When the login page appears, enter the default username and password, commonly admin. 6. Access the Setup Wizard. After logging in, the Setup Wizard will open automatically for first-time configuration. 7. Scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Click Scan, and select your main router's Wi-Fi network from the list. 8. Enter your main Wi-Fi password. Type the password of your main Wi-Fi correctly to avoid connection failure. 9. Set your extender Wi-Fi name. Choose a name for your extended Wi-Fi or keep the default auto-generated one. 10. Save settings and reconnect. Click Save, Apply, wait for the extender to reboot, then reconnect to the new extended Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.